Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the changes in the Indian Penal Code 1860 after the Nirbhaya gang rape case. Insertion of section 166A, which covers the offence of disobedience of law by a public servant. After the Amendment Act, it is made punishable with rigorous imprisonment for 6 months to 2 years and liable to fine. Insertion of section 326A and B, which cover the issue of acid attack. The Amendment Act has made it a specific offence under the Act punishable with 10 years imprisonment extendable to life imprisonment or fine or both. Insertion of section 354A, which deals with sexual harassment and punishable for the same. Insertion of section 354B, which covers the offence of compelling a woman to remove her clothes. Insertion of section 354C, which covers the offence of voyeurism, that is watching a woman when she is engaged in some private act including sexual acts or when her private parts are exposed. The age of consent has been enhanced from 16 years to 18 years. The definition of rape has been widened under the Nirbhaya case. Insertion of section 376 subsection 2 clause C, which covers the offence of rape by personnel of armed forces. Insertion of section 376A, which deals with the rape resulting in death or vegetative state. Employment of a trafficked person can also attract penal provision as well. It has also been clarified that penetration means penetration to any extent, and lack of physical resistance or any sort of other resistances is immaterial for constituting the offence of rape.